Hello friends, welcome to Gem Academy. Now we are going to see important questions for CIB BFM, which is a nodal agency designated by Government of India to manage the Export Development Fund. The answer is Exim Bank. A bank received an LC for $2 million issued by MT700 and opened on January 25, 2020. The credit calls for shipment of 200 tons of good quality wheat cultivated in Punjab under UCP 600. What should be done to ensure that shipment of good quality of wheat? In this case, they are exporting some wheats. What the bank should do for the quality of the wheat? Bank should not do anything for the answer is the bank should not do anything for the quality of the wheat. Since we are dealing only with the documents and not with the products. We are dealing only with the documents. That is the bill of exchange, bill of lading, invoice. Everything should be submitted properly. That's it. No, we need not consider the quality of the products. This is the answer. To disregard non-documentary requirements. Quality of the wheat is a non-documentary one. So we have to disregard that one. Next one, all foreign currency inward remittances up to what amount shall be as per FEDOI guidelines be converted immediately into Indian rupees, that is US dollar at 10,000. A bank received an LC for $2 million issued by MT700 and opened on January 25, 2020. The credit calls for shipment of 200 tons of good quality of wheat cultivated in Punjab. What is the time available for issuing bank for examination of documents under UCP 600? For examination of documents, the time given is 5 banking days. OTC market means over the counter market. Next one, ABC Bank Mumbai maintains US dollar account with the Bank of America New York, and when it conducts transactions through this account, it passes entries into its books at Mumbai through mirror account. That is, if a bank has an account in India, India is here, and it makes an agreement with another bank in US, then the US bank would maintain the account in US is called Nostro account, and the mirror account. The same entries in India, if a bank makes, then it is called mirror account. Here ABC Bank Mumbai maintains US dollar account with Bank of America. This is ABC Bank in Mumbai and Bank of America New York. It's there, and when it conducts transactions through this account, this Nostro account, through this Nostro account, it makes some transactions. It passes entries in its books at Mumbai through them. The same records are passed in the entries of Mumbai banks. So this is mirror account. This the account in US is Nostro account. The account in Mumbai is mirror account. The financing of export receivables without recourse to the seller for full invoice is called forfeiting. That is, forfeiting is for 100%. Forfeiting is for 80%. One of the statements in respect of OCB is not correct. Identify the same. First option is OCBs comprise overseas firms, trust or companies. OCBs are predominantly owned by NRIs. NRI ownership should be minimum 60% in OCBs. OCBs can invest in India just as NRIs do. Our option is 4. OCBs can invest in India just as NRIs do. This is a wrong statement. This is not correct. All the 3 statements are correct one. Next one, a red clause LC contains a clause in red which enables a beneficiary to avail pre-shipment finance from the advising bank or nominated bank. Which one of the following services does not require an account relationship with the foreign bank? The option is custodial services. For custodial services, they need not maintain any account with the foreign bank. For collections and payments, they have to maintain an account. Overdraft and loan facility also they have to make an account. For investment services also account should be there, but for custodial services no such account should be maintained. Next one, in respect of spot rate, the settlement takes place on the second day following the date of deal. If it makes on the same day, then it is cash or ready rate. Tomorrow means TOM rate. Spot rate is then second day following the deal rate. Forward rate means after the spot rate. Whatever the date comes, it is forward rate. Okay, friends. There are three terms. First one is cash or ready rate, and next one is term rate, and the next one is spot rate, and another one is forward rate. What is daylight position? Maximum open position during the day is a daylight position. Next one, forward price of a currency can be worked out on the basis of spot rate, interest rate differentials, and period. Forward price of a currency can be worked out on the basis of we need to consider spot rate and interest rate differentials, and period also should be considered. Next one, the trading limits in a foreign exchange includes deal size limits, open position limits, and stop loss limits. The standardized approach for calculation of capital charge for credit risk stipulates a special treatment of retail exposures. Identify the same from the following. First option is zero risk for the sectors. Uniform risk weight of 75%. Capital charge for the sectors 7%. Sectors are exempt from calculation of capital charge. Our option is uniform risk weight of 75%. Next one, operation risk arises from inadequate or failed internal processes, people and systems, external events. Operation risk arises from inadequate or failed internal processes, people and systems, and external events. And our next question is, why downside potential is the most comprehensive measure of risk? It mitigates volatility and sensitivity with the adverse effect of uncertainty. Volatility and sensitivity with the adverse effect of uncertainty. So, downside potential is most comprehensive measure of the risk. Next one, a zero coupon deposit of rupees 5,000 is to be doubled in 5-year bond at an annual coupon of 10%. What is the type of risk in the bank facing? Reinvestment risk. A zero coupon deposit of 5,000 is to be doubled in 5 years. A zero coupon deposit has to be doubled in 5 years. Has to have 5-year bond at an annual coupon rate of 10%. What type of risk the bank facing? That is reinvestment. After the maturity period, the bank has to reinvest the deposit. So the risk there arises as reinvestment risk. Next one, which of the following statements is incorrect? Higher the risk, higher would be the risk premium. If the risk is higher, then the risk premium will also be higher. Higher the risk in business, higher the capital requirement. If the business risk is higher, then capital is also higher. Risk management involves risk identification, measurement, monitoring, and mitigation. Next one, higher the ROA ROC, lower is the reward to investors. Higher the ROA ROC, risk adjusted return on capital, higher is the reward to investors. This is the wrong statement. Higher the ROA ROC, lower is the reward to investors. Here it is given as lower the reward to investors, but it should be higher to the reward to the investors. Next one, in case of prevailing emergency, if the disaster recovery system of a bank also fail, what type of risk can it be called? This is called operation risk. Next one, what is the beta factor for retail banking under standardized approach? That is 12%. Next one, which of the following is an example of embedded option risk? Premature withdrawal of term deposits before the stated maturity. Next question, all assets in banking book are generally held until maturity. Banking book is until maturity. Which one of the following is the effect-based type of operational risk? Natural disasters, internal fraud, legal liability, insufficient training. All these are operation risk factors, but which is the effect-based type of operation risk? Then it is a legal liability. Next one, which of the following statements is correct in respect of assets under trading book? Normally not held till maturity and traded in market. Assets are marked to market. Normally not held until maturity. Trading book, for trading book it is not held until maturity, but banking book it's held until maturity. Next one, CCIL undertakes a statement in various instruments generally on net basis. Treasury bills are issued by Government of India through RBI. Treasury bills are issued by Government of India through RBI. Next one, a corporate customer approaches a bank treasury for advice of hedging is ECB, that is external commercial borrowings loan of $10 million due to avail the next week. The loan is repayable after 5 years. He would, however, like to keep his interest rate risk open as LIBOR is at its historical low. The company would like to hedge interest rate only for one period, that is from January 2021 to June 2021, when it has maximum liability. Assuming the company wants to hedge the risk in December 2019, Treasury should recommend 12 months, 12/18 F4A, that is 12 months or 18 months forward rate agreement. Forward rate agreement, the bank can advise the customer. Next one, if the company desires to hedge interest rate risk in addition to currency simultaneously, Treasury may advise him to enter into P plus I currency swap, that is principal plus interest currency swap. Next one, leveraging implies building up large volume of business with relatively small capital. Leveraging implies building up a large volume of business with relatively small capital. Next one, the three main components of market risk are currency risk, liquidity risk and interest rate risk. Next one, RBI has permitted banks to borrow through their overseas correspondents in foreign currency subject to a ceiling of dash percentage of their unimpaired Tier 1 capital or US dollar dash, whichever is, the answer is 100%, 10 million and higher. RBI has permitted banks to borrow through their overseas correspondents in foreign currency subject to a ceiling of 100% of their unimpaired Tier 1 capital or US dollar 10 million. US dollar 10 million or 100% of its Tier 1 capital, whichever is higher. Next one, the primary function of a treasury is to manage liquidity to meet CRR requirement. LC issued would be included in the balance sheet in off-balance sheet item. Assets classification should be borrower-wise. Under which head of the balance sheet would sundry debtors be classified? Sundry debtors as current assets. Which one of the following is not an on-balance sheet item? Sundry debtors, sundry creditors, interest rate contract and machinery. Is not. We need to read the question carefully. Is not an on-balance sheet item. Sundry debtors, it comes under balance sheet. Sundry creditors is also balance sheet. And machinery, this is a type of a capital investment. So machinery also comes under on-balance sheet. The only thing that don't come under on-balance sheet item is interest rate contracts. Next one, Pillar 3 prescribes a qualitative and quantitative disclosures under 18 areas, which is the second pillar under Basel II supervisory review process. Next one, which one of the following statements regarding ICAAP documents included under Pillar 2 is correct? First one is capital adequacy assessment and projections of capital requirement for ensuring year cover all the risk not fully captured by minimum capital ratio under Pillar 1. Plans and strategies for meeting capital requirements approved by the board. Our answer is all the options of correct. Next one, NIIM is NIIM. The formula for NIIM is net interest income divided by average total assets. The three pillars of Basel II are minimum capital requirement, supervisory review process and market discipline. Next one, what is the result of pre-settlement risk? Result of pre-settlement risk is absolute loss of amount, loss of reputation, replacement cost, notional interest loss. The answer is replacement cost. Next one, who is eligible to take a export turnover policy from ECGC? Exporters who contribute not less than rupees 20 lakhs towards premium. Export turnover policy is for those exporters who are paying the premium of rupees 20 lakhs. The term SWIFT stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications. Next one, forward rates are calculated by adding premium and deducting discount from the start and the spot rates. The spot rate, forward rate, how we are calculating is from the spot rate we are either adding. For premium we are adding, and for discount we are subtracting. So forward rates are calculated by adding premium and deducting discount from the spot rates. Bank A's assets and outstanding contracts to purchase US dollar exceed the liabilities on outstanding contracts to sell USD. In this case, bank is in a position which is overbought. Here in this case, it is overbought. Bank says assets outstanding contracts to purchase USD exceed the liabilities. Assets exceed the liabilities and outstanding contracts to sell USD. In this case, bank A's position vis-a-vis US dollar. For US dollar, the bank is in overbought position. A bank received an LC for US dollar 2 million issued by MT 700 and opened on January 25, 2020. The credit calls for shipment of 200 tons of good quality wheat cultivated in Punjab. By default, whether the provisions of UCP 600 apply? No, it won't apply for the contracts. That is, by default, it doesn't apply.